and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and I am here to show you how to live affordably, sustainably. Because what? Being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. So if you love the kind of adventures in upcycling type of content and DIYs and refashions, then go ahead and subscribe and throw a like. And if you've been with me for a while, thank you so much for your continued support and watching and enjoying and comments and just everything. And a Refashionista video would not be complete without a refashion, correct? So I shall link down below for the tutorial for how I created my SP Sherry Pavlovich Ketchup and Fries shirt. And this is a free template. Everything's free over there on my site. So yeah, tutorial for this awesome little top here is linked down below. And did you know that literally around the corner, like next week, is my birthday, my 48th birthday. So I thought, because I had pretty good success with some mystery boxes online, I would treat myself to one that I kind of had sitting in my liked section on my Poshmark app for more than a little while. And so that's exactly what I did, and it has arrived, and it is very big and very heavy. So I thought that's what we would do today, is, you know, do a mystery box unboxing together and see exactly what I got for this incredibly low price. So fingers crossed that it's gonna be just as good, if not better, than the other ones. And yeah, let's get unboxing.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Okay, I am opening it up here, and the first thing I'm seeing on the top is bright red and very, very cozy. Something, I'm just curious if anyone else thinks this way, but when I sell something and I package it up, regardless of how cheap or expensive it is, I really take a lot of pride in how I package up my sales. And I definitely always make sure that I have, you know, paper, a bag, something else, not just like clothes chucked in a box, just because when you're opening the box, you know, you don't want to cut the clothes. And a lot of the times people just kind of chuck the clothes in a box, and yeah, the danger with that is it's very easy if you're using, you know, a razor knife or scissors to cut through the tape. You're gonna actually damage the garment. So just a quick tip, just throw, you know, a flyer, a bag, anything you can on top of that last garment on the top of your box, and you know, it just really kind of will save it if it from getting accidentally cut into. Anyway, I'm talking too much again. But yeah, let me know down below if that kind of is a pet peeve of yours as well, is, you know, not really nicely packaged up items. So this looks very cozy, very, very cozy. And yeah, appears to just be a cozy red sweater. And oh, it doesn't smell very good though. So that's not good. Kind of has that really strong fabric softener smell mixed with a bit of mustiness. Whatever. What are you gonna do, right? I can wash it. Next, this I think is just a scarf or a table runner. Not exactly sure. Feels more like a table runner to me than a scarf, but I think I could, you know, make that into quite a cool long pillow or a bag. So yeah, not a bad score. I like the colors and the patterns. Anything that I'm pulling out, by the way, that you have an idea of what I could refashion or upcycle it into, let me know down below, and perhaps I shall create a video with your idea. So we have so far a sweater and a table runner. This is definitely like a scarf, like a pashmina style scarf, quite large. Yeah, not the greatest color, so I think I might have to dye that. It's kind of like a pastel-y greenish, yeah. And again, not smelling so good. I'm definitely going to be doing laundry as soon as this is all opened up here. And here is another scarf, which there's actually enough fabric here. I could probably make a nice lightweight top out of this. Your ideas, again, let me know, let me know. Oh, okay. Really ugly fast fashion-y top. So, okay. Well, so far, this is not a great mystery box. Yeah, this is like, what, just a pair of trousers. Yep, that's it. Just, okay. Khaki green trousers. Fast fashion again. But I think this is all going to be very fast fashion-y. Oh, and there is a very unpleasant smell now. Very unpleasant. Oh my God. Yeah, okay, a pair of white leggings. Oh, the deeper I'm going in, the worse this smell is, and it definitely smells like cat pee, which is gross. Let's just power through this though, shall we? Again, everything can be washed, right? That's the beauty of it. So even if something does not smell very good, we can clean it, we can wash it, and I have all the cleaning and laundry tips over on my site if to help you get rid of odors and stains. So yeah, I'll link that below for you as well. This, although it does very pungently smell like cat pee, which is so unpleasant, it's actually kind of cool, this top here. So yeah, hopefully that's gonna fit. It does look kind of small, but I can always upsize it, right? What else here? Oh, okay, this is like the red version of the top that I'm wearing, and yeah, so I can easily add patches to this and make it kind of funky. What else here? Okay, a t-shirt. A t-shirt with a logo for, I'm assuming, a local motorcycle garage. All right. Well, unfortunately, not all mystery boxes can be fantastic, right? So, okay, just a striped little lightweight sweater, which I have no hope of fitting into. Something in a bag, so let's see what this is. And let's see if it smells any good. My nose is starting to get stuffed up. I am very allergic to cats, so clearly whoever put this together actually has a cat. From the way that my eyes have started watering, this is really turning into an interesting video. And my nose is all stuffy now. Oh my goodness. And yeah, the smell of cat pee is very, very pungent now. So I'm thinking the further we're getting down to the bottom of this box, that the more pungent it is becoming. So in the bag is just a cute pair of board shorts. So if those fit, that's good for next summer. Let's see what else. Oh, and in another little baggie appears to be a bikini top, which clearly I will have no hope of fitting into this teeny tiny, oh my goodness, this teeny weeny. Yeah, so, oh my goodness, still not done, but we're getting closer to the source of that smell. Oh look, aren't these like identical to the other? Let me just, grab these ones here. Yeah. And, okay, 2 pairs of the same pants in different sizes. Okie doke. Interesting. Totally not my style at all. Those kind of khakis. Oh, here's something we might be able to do something with. The pattern is really good, but again, this appears to be quite small. Pardon my stuffy nose, but sincerely, the cat allergy is happening now. Yeah, so this is actually extra small, so it might be nice, the fabric though. So any ideas what I could kind of transform this high-low extra small dress into? Let's see. More fast fashion, another fast fashion dress, and again, quite small. I don't know, that might actually fit my daughter, so we'll see if she wants that one. That one is an extra small, and again, as well. Let me see. Okay, a teal, just a teal shirt. Huh, and shoes. I've never gotten shoes in a mystery box before. Let's check. Let's see if they're my size. Oh, no. No. Of course not. So there we go. I mean, these appear to be maybe kind of 80s, 90s. But, yeah, my little feet will definitely not fit in those. Let's see. Oh, there's more. We're not done yet, but we are definitely getting closer to the source of the smell. Oh, I think these are like cropped leggings. It's like similar to the white pair from earlier. Oh, orange polka dots. Oh, and I think orange polka dots is the smell. Yep, orange polka dots is the smell. There we go. Again, a small dress, but if I could get the smell out, oh, I would be so embarrassed to send that to somebody. Anyway, there's just a couple more things left, and then I'm gonna go take a shower. Another pair of shoes. Yeah, again, I don't think these are gonna fit me, but yeah, and sorry. But again, adventures in upcycling, right? What is this? Okay, I don't know what this is. Let me just see. Okay. Oh, I think it's some kind of weird little earrings here. Yeah. And it's like 2 pairs of the same earrings, but in different colors. Anyway, as I said, I'm gonna go have a shower, and I think I might have to get myself another birthday present because I'm sorry, this is just really hilarious. I'm gonna go take my allergy pills, gonna have a shower, gonna do a couple loads of laundry here, and hopefully all of this smell is gonna come out. But yeah, if you have any ideas on what I should create or upcycle these items into, provided I can get rid of that odor. Like I said, do let me know down below. Sorry, I can't stop laughing now. This was such a fail. Oh, and my eyes are just crazy watering now. So, for more thrifty and sustainable lifestyle tips and tricks, and of course, rockin' Refashionista tutorials, please do pop on over to my refashionistasherry.com, and yeah, everything is over there, including my ebooks and my Refashionista boxes, which I can guarantee are nothing like this. And basically, I I create an entire outfit for you, or I have ones that are just accessories. I have ones where I will make a whole wardrobe for you. But yeah, suffice to say, it's nothing, nothing like this. And I shall link below to a Refashionista Box, that a video that I made showing the process that goes on behind my Refashionista Box. So I shall link that down below, but oh, I'm starting to get dizzy now. So I think I have to go. And, yeah, I hope this was enjoyable in like the weirdest way possible. And stay tuned for my birthday video that's, you know, coming up next week. And until next time. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Mwah! I don't want to kiss my hand.